Hello, and welcome, guys. This is the DigitalTv Source YouTube channel. My name is Eric. Yes, Eric, aka the DigitalTv Geek. Today I'm on my phone. Yes, I'm on my phone. It's been a minute. I'm going to show you some new things I've updated in the FileLinked store, the DigitalTv Source FileLinked store. Everything's updated. I added a few new things. As I told you in the beginning, I like to keep it light and tight, but demand was so much and a lot of things happening and going on since I've been away as well. So I got like over 50 APKs and so forth in the store. So enjoy, guys. Also changed the passcode as well. But I'll get to that when we get to that part. But let's get to Cyberflex. As you see here, guys, things with the Cyberflex is like that. Everything seems to be down and shut down, but do not fret, because we will go and get everything situated. So we're going to get out that Cyberflex here. We're going to fix that problem. Back on out. Let's go to the FileLinked store, DigitalTv Source FileLinked store. And the code will be 812-87997. Again, 812-87997. I'll leave all information down below, how you can get in, as well as the new PassCode. So we're going to continue. And you're going to put that pin in. Again, guys, 6969. We're going to continue. There you go. Added some BTV. I updated Aptoid. I added some Black Kodia. Okay, you can subscribe or dismiss. We're going to dismiss. I updated Kodi. Cyberflex is updated. Some Dream Team in there. EPIG. It's a great guide in there for you guys. My IPTV streams Pro. Again, guys, I updated a few things, put a few applications and APKs, and added some stuff, and took a few things out too as well. I got a Puffin in the browser in there for you. I got your retro quest. I'll do a video on that, let you know what that's about. Send Anywhere, great application. I'm just going over stuff. I got the Silent Ghost News APK, the newest one he has out. Shout out to him. Whew, he's doing it. Fire. I'll do a video on that as well. I already showed you low channel. Smart YouTube TV is for your Fire Stick users, Fire TV, so forth. Has some updated TV Android. Same thing with TV Zion. That's pretty much it. Whew, it's a lot, huh? Okay, let's get to Cyberflex. Here we go. We're going to update that. Let that download itself. When you hit that play button, download finish, hit that. We're going to install. Give it a minute. And I might just do one more download and of an APK here for you. If I have time, I got my door in the tub here, so just give me a few minutes. I'm doing this quick, fast, in a hurry. It is done. And let's get out of there. Okay, back to Cyberflex. And let's go do... nah, I don't have time. I'll dismiss that. Might show that another time to BTV. Might do that on my ship, something like that. All right, let's get out of here. Yes. Back out. It's not there anymore, but that's okay. We're going to go get it. And pull up on my phone here. Going to add it to the screen. Slide. And there it is, new Cyberflix. Oh yeah, I got my IPTV here, so that's for my daughter. Excuse me, guys. Forgot to put that earlier. Cyberflix, I'll put that down here. Next to get the strap. Bam. I like that my icon there. Okay. And there we go. Bing, bang, boom. She's back up and running. Movies. Give it a minute to load up. There you go. Let's get to the trending, see if that's working there. Okay, trend is not, but we have it recently updated. All right. Let's go here to movies. Most popular. So I liked about it before. It had the new HD releases. And there they are, the HD releases. Okay. And remember, go into your three dots. You can get to your settings and so forth. And we're going to go into settings. Make sure everything is good. Show HD links only. And always ask play action. It's up to you. You can make it autoplay if you want to. You can do it with subtitles. Download if you like with subtitles and so forth. Just like I said, you can just make it autoplay, just hit the play. But I'll just ask, keep it that way. I have my MX player as my default. I like to rock with that. I really don't pretty much change anything. There you got your track in there as well. If people have your track accounts, I think they have Road to Brit as well. And this one, no, I'm thinking of another application. I might be thinking of another one, guys, so my apologies. Okay, there it is, Road to Brit. There you go. Subtitles, Chinese, and English. Okay, there you go. All right. Excited for Road to Brit at the bottom. You got the official Facebook page, and you got the About Cyberflix. So again, guys, I'll leave all the information down how to get this. And there you go. Cyberflix is up and working again. All right. And I think my daughter will give me time. Oh, she's ready to get out, so I gotta go, guys. Duty calls. I thought I could do a little cinema HD and Dream TV, but I guess I'll save that for another time and put that maybe on my shield or I don't know, right on my phone. But guys, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, comment, so forth and so on. Guys, you have a beautiful evening. I'll be back soon with some really good stuff and content for you guys. Okay, all right, guys, keep on loving each other, and most importantly, happy streaming. Later.